Hello, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining me for another video. Hope you enjoy and I'll see you at the end. This is probably the interface you have on your ArtRage app. I'll show you how to set up docking mode, which puts your most used tools where they are most convenient. Click on View on the top of the canvas and choose Interface Mode, Docking Mode, and Lights Out, if you like the idea of the Lights Out setting. It may not appeal to you. I show you how mine is set up, but you can have the panels in any order or side of the canvas that you wish. Go to View and select the panels, the ones you prefer on your interface. These are mine. If you move the tool panel, for example, to the right, a black arrow pops out. Move the tool panel over the arrow, click, and it will click into position at the top of the canvas. At first you may have to do this a couple of times to get the panel to snap. The next panels will be easy. Now do this on the other side of the canvas. To disconnect, click on the black box with the arrow and it will unsnap. The panel can be moved to either side between other panels, or click on the X and it will close altogether. Go to View and select it to have the panel available to snap again. While we're here, I'll show you how to use the toolbox. The toolbox is where you save a collection of tools that you want within easy reach when creating a painting. You can save the toolbox to use again if you need the same or similar tools for another painting. I have toolboxes saved for oil paintings, animal paintings, watercolor paintings, and so on. You can save brushes, stencils, colors, presets, layers, stickers, and probably some I haven't thought of yet. Well, that's about it. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you some other time. Bye for now.